If your oil pressure warning light has just turned on, this is not something you should ignore. This warning light indicates a serious issue that can cause severe engine damage if you continue driving. In this video, I will explain what the oil pressure warning light means, why it turns on, the most common causes, and exactly what you should do when you see it on your dashboard. The oil pressure warning light comes on when your engine does not have enough oil pressure to operate safely. Engine oil plays a critical role in lubricating internal components, reducing friction, and preventing overheating. Without proper oil pressure, metal parts inside the engine can rub against each other, leading to rapid wear or even complete engine failure. It's important to understand that this warning light is not the same as an oil change reminder. It does not mean you are due for maintenance. It means there is a problem happening right now, and continuing to drive can make it much worse. One of the most common reasons for the oil pressure warning light is a low engine oil level. If the oil level is too low, the oil pump cannot maintain enough pressure to circulate oil throughout the engine. This can happen due to oil leaks, burning oil, or neglecting oil changes for too long. Another possible cause is a worn or failing oil pump. The oil pump is responsible for pushing oil through the engine. If it becomes damaged or worn out, oil pressure can drop suddenly, even if the oil level is normal. A clogged or dirty oil filter can also restrict oil flow. When oil cannot flow freely, pressure drops, and the warning light may turn on. In some cases, the issue may be a faulty oil pressure sensor. The sensor could be sending incorrect data to the vehicle's computer, triggering the warning light even if oil pressure is actually within a normal range. However, you should never assume it is only a sensor issue without proper inspection. So, what should you do if the oil pressure warning light comes on while driving? The safest action is to pull over as soon as it is safe to do so and turn off the engine. Driving even a short distance with low oil pressure can cause serious engine damage in just minutes. Once the engine is off and has cooled down slightly, check the oil level using the dipstick. If the oil level is low, adding the correct type of engine oil may help temporarily. However, if the warning light stays on after adding oil, the vehicle should not be driven. If the oil level is normal and the warning light remains on, this indicates a more serious problem. In this situation, the car should be inspected by a professional mechanic as soon as possible. Many drivers ask whether it is safe to drive with the oil pressure warning light on. In most cases, the answer is no. Driving with this warning light illuminated can lead to engine seizure, bearing damage, or total engine failure, which can be extremely expensive to repair. To summarize, the oil pressure warning light is one of the most critical warning lights in your vehicle. It should always be taken seriously and addressed immediately. Stopping the engine quickly can save you from costly repairs and permanent engine damage. On this channel, Fix Car Codes, we explain dashboard warning lights and car problems in a clear and simple way. If this video helped you understand the oil pressure warning light, consider subscribing for more explanations like this.